Welcome back. We are getting you live visuals from Prime Minister Modi's visit to Thailand. He is at a Buddhist temple in Bangkok, and these are the live visuals from the spot. In fact, the Prime Minister visiting the famous Wat Pho temple in Thailand, he spoke about the significance of Buddhism, saying it's an important pillar of India's foreign policy as well. And Prime Minister Modi's visit to the temple of the reclining Buddha, he will in fact later also be visiting the Mahabodhi temple. Both are instances of his ongoing efforts to place Buddhism at the heart of India's foreign policy. My colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rishabh, we are seeing beautiful visuals on the screens. Prime Minister Modi in prayer along with several Buddhist monks as the Prime Minister puts Buddhism in the heart of India's policy, reinforcing the role that Buddhism has and speaking about the significance of it as well.
Well, definitely. If we talk about Buddhism, India and Thailand, Buddhism has become a big tool for India's Act East policy. And last year when, I'm just taking a leaf out of last year's visit to Thailand. I was in Thailand for the ASEAN Fellowship Program, and we met the officials of Thailand government, and the way they narrated how important the Buddha relics is for Thailand and what it means for the people in Thailand. It showcases that how important it becomes for India's diplomacy as well. Only yesterday, Prime Minister has also promised that the Buddha relics that have been found in 1940s in Gujarat, in Aravalli in Gujarat, would be also sent to Thailand for public view. And since then, there have been real, important members of government and even royal family commenting in a very positive manner for that matter. When Buddha relics went there, initially it was sent for 3 weeks, but the interest was such that the Buddha relics returned after 3 months. People waited for hours in queues around the road, across the road as well, just to have a glimpse of those relics. And now where Prime Minister is right now, it's the Wat Pho in Bangkok. It is one of the biggest temple of Bangkok. It is just next to the royal residence of the royal family of Thailand, and Prime Minister is doing prayers. He's offering prayers there, and this showcases India uses diplomacy not only for trade, for business, but also for culture, and India's cultural diplomacy is on display. Is what we are seeing on our screen.
Diplomacy on display, like you mentioned, these visuals show the Prime Minister in prayer, and this is at the Buddhist temple. He was also seen just a few moments ago touching the feet of the monks at the temple. And very heartening visuals as well. We're seeing the Prime Minister all smiles as he is holding hands with the Buddhist monks there and hugging them as well. And this has been at the center of Prime Minister Modi's diplomacy as well, always giving a personal touch to it as well. Rishabh, while we continue to stay live with these visuals, the Prime Minister, of course, is also being told about the significance of this temple. And the Prime Minister also has visited several temples that are very significant in Buddhism, including in his visits to Nepal as well as Japan as well, isn't it?
Well, definitely, what we are seeing right now, and the Buddhist monks there, the chief of this temple, have been accorded with a Padma Award by Indian government as well, just last year, and this showcases that how India's outreach toward the region, be it Japan, be it Vietnam, be it Thailand, Laos, and other countries in that region, Cambodia for that matter. The Buddhism is one tool that India has been harnessing, and harnessing in a really, we can say in a very profitable way. Thailand government in past there have been a lot of ifs and buts between India and Thailand, but in last 5 to 6 years, the way we have seen both the countries going places. Just yesterday, India and Thailand has elevated the relationship to a strategic partnership. Thailand government has been a key player and key partner with India to ensure that all the Indian nationals who have been into fraud cases, cyber scams, who have been taken to fraud companies in Myanmar or for that matter Cambodia. Thailand government has helped India to return them to India.
Absolutely. In fact, he has also spoken about